Hi, I'm Marlena Lopez. I'm a final year Doctor of Veterinary Medicine student. I'm from California, USA. I grew up in a very small town caring for all different types of animals and always had the dream that I wanted to be an animal doctor. I chose to study at Melbourne University because I really wanted to gain the experience of living and studying abroad. Melbourne has continuously ranked as one of the most livable cities in the world. When I first arrived to Melbourne, my plane landed the morning of orientation. I was really grateful that so many other of my classmates and within my cohort were international students that were going through the same exact process. And so we really leaned on each other for support during that time. Some of my favorite classes within the program have been anatomy and surgery. And I really learn best when I'm able to get hands-on on the material, be able to perform dissections and surgeries has been a really rewarding experience for me. With my final year research project, I am studying the levels and predictors of poor mental health amongst Australian veterinary students. The aim of my research is to provide universities with information of where students need the most support, so where university resources of counseling and training programs should best be allocated. The highlight of veterinary school for me has been having the opportunity to complete extramural clinical placements all around the world. I have had the opportunity to travel all across Australia, working in different clinics, as well as going back home to the United States and working at a zoo. And I've also been able to travel to Bali, Indonesia, and work at a community clinic there. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. That's what I did when I was in high school. I just called up my local veterinary clinic, asked a veterinarian if I can shadow them, and I really learned a lot from that experience, and I found that this will really help you decide if this sort of career is right for you.